To add a live Nearpod lesson to your Schoology page, you're going to click on your Nearpod app that everyone has on their left-hand side. Once you've logged into Nearpod once, it'll take you automatically to your Nearpod account, and you won't have to worry about logging in again. You'll choose the lesson that you want, choose Live Lesson, and it will give you the code. At this point, you want to click Link because you're going to embed it on your Schoology page. Then you're going to go to Materials, click Add Materials, choose Add File Link External Tool, and you're going to add a link. Add your URL that you copied, title it whatever title you want it to be. Click Add. Then once students click on your live Nearpod link, it takes them directly to the Nearpod and puts their name in. So all they have to do is join the session. From this point, they can't do anything until you move them through the lesson on your teacher screen.